After a long 2 seconds of meaningful thought, I've decided to make a file system. Before we can make a file system, we need to make a disk library. So after researching Ada disk assembly function bullshit, I don't know, I wrote some code to write data to the disk. But Otto, does it work? Does it work? Does it work? I don't know. I haven't tested it yet. So I'll mod the write function to read, and now we can see that it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Okay, I just forgot to change the type, everything's fine. And now we can see if I forgot to make commands. Okay. Alright, I made commands to read and write from the disk, and now it gets stuck in a loop. And disk read gets stuck too. So it's probably Ada wait, which is a function that, you know what, I probably shouldn't explain. The code's pretty boring. First we tell the computer how much and where the info is that we want to get access to. Then we tell it what disk it's on, tell it what we want to do with the information, read, write, whatever the fuck. And finally, we either take whatever it says and shove it into a string, or we feed bytes of our string into Ada. Shit, is that why they're called that? But before we do that last step, we wait for Ada to not be busy, and that's where it's stuck. For some reason, Ada doesn't want to write or read to the disk. I don't know why it would. Wait, do I have to make a disk image? Oh yeah, right. Like a dumbass, I didn't even make a disk image, even though of course I have to. So I made it, and now it works. Okay, well, hold on. Technically, it does work. Bullshit. The disk is loading and it is ready, but nothing's writing. But I'll fix it. I'm pretty smart. I am dumber than a bag of bricks. Okay, so I started Ada read and write with a line that ends the function if the disk does exist. So I fixed that. But guess the fuck what? Our good old friend Ada not ready is back. But you know what? I think I know how to fix this one. All right, everyone watching, say this right now with me. 3, 2, 1. Fuck off, Ada. Whoa, it worked. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. The real problem was that the disk is 32,000 bytes long. You're supposed to cut. And my dumbass was writing to the disk at a quaint little location of 200,000 bytes. Is that why they're called? So yeah, I started writing inside the disk and now it works. Doesn't look like it. Trust me, it works. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Why are there 2 A's then? Why are there 2 A's? It took days of waiting, coming back, and trying to solve the issue. I use this bit too much, acting all sad and then abruptly cutting to the solution. You know what? Fuck this. I worked my ass off. For 3 days, I kept coming back and trying to refactor this shitty, mangled, fuck-ass code. If I showed this unoptimized cesspool of Satan's shit to a fucking baby, he would personally give me an hour-long lecture on good code practices. Jesus Christ. Alright, now you can do the abrupt cut to the solution. Let's try something. You gotta be shitting me. Fuck you. You're printing twice. I was printing twice.